I know I'm the shit. I bought a tennis bracelet, I got diamonds on my wrist. Don't need no lighting, I'm already shining in this bitch. If you hate your life, then change it, no more whining in this bitch. I came when I was needed, perfect timing in this bitch. And I'm just getting started, but I'm grinding in this shit. And I don't really care if I get signed up in this bitch. I'm the headliner, you can take the signs down in this bitch, yeah. Okay. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm back with another makeup video. This is my first time doing a full face. I normally just do my brows, my lashes, and my gloss, but today I did like a full face. I show every product that I use in the video. If y'all want me to link it down in the description box, just let me know. But yeah, this is what my full face looks like, up close and personal. Y'all see, it looks so natural. I love how I did my nose contour. I love how I made myself have lips, because y'all know I don't got none. But it looks super cute, nice, you know, natural, giving highlight. I got two different highlights on. This one's more like of a golden, this is more like a shimmery. Yeah, I'm loving it. I blended more towards my neck. Yeah, and this is what this side looks like. And this is what this side looks like. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hopefully I can learn how to do some eyeshadow, because I'm really loving this look. Like, I love the dark brows, the contour, the lashes, the lips, the lining. It's giving what's supposed to be given, okay? But this is the fit. Thank y'all for watching my Thank y'all for watching my videos. I'm actually loving this look, y'all. Like, y'all, this is bomb. Like, and I did this. I didn't have to pay no $100 for no to my face. I'm about to go outside in the sun and let y'all see. Oh, girl, look at this. Let me get a little cute though.
crazy.